We got this.
Well, the purpose of today's march is going to the police and to the governments to say that we've got places like Point Road where there are South Africans who are always scared to go there. Actually, majority of South Africans don't like going there because it's known as a place for Nigeria. Now that doesn't even make sense in your own country, that you can have places where there's South Africans who are not feeling safe going there. There's crime, there's drugs, there's all kinds of illegal activities. So we want our police to take that place seriously. There's also hijacked buildings. There's a lot of things. So we just want to make sure that we send a message, a very strong message that says that we are South Africans and we will not have no-go areas. So we're not a political party, so it's important for us to incorporate people who are from all other political parties to come join us. We don't want people to come here and say it's a certain party thing or certain party thing and feel like this doesn't involve them. It involves all South Africans. We're all affected by illegal immigration.